and here we are again. I guess it must be fate. I'm turning on our love, but deep inside we've known we'd be back to set things straight. I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take retreats, every journey always brings me back to you. After all the surface stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever, you and me, after all. When love is truly right, this time it's truly right. It lives from year to year. It changes as it goes, oh, and on the way it grows, but it never disappears. After all the stuff it starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever, you and me, after all. Always just beyond my touch. You know I want to you so much. After all, what else is left for? Oh, after all the stuff is stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever, you and me. And after all the stuff it stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever, you and me, after all.
And once again, that was a special request from Sir John Michael. All right, let's give you one other one.
Yes, once again, please enjoy your dinner, ladies and gentlemen, as the Neural Band will give you a variety of songs from our list. Later on, if you have any requested songs in mind, you can actually write it down into a piece of paper. Ladies and gentlemen, the Neural Rhythm Section.
Let's give you another special request from Sir John Michael.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home, like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been my muscle all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, it reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last night, that we might be exactly like we were before I realized we were sad of getting old. It made us restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears. Nobody told me that it'd be here. And I swear you moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. You look like a movie, you still sound like a song. My God, it reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time, that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old. It made us restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. It's hard to work things out. Everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And a part of me keeps holding on, just in case it hasn't done. I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. My God, it reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time, that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old. It made us restless. Oh, so bad I'm getting old. It makes me restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song when we were young.
And now a song coming from Adele.
and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless wonder just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this what I wonder of, that we've got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors. When the heart of this star-crossed voyage is in time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this what I wonder of, that we've got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it lay to rest. Oh, it's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
You can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. So just ain't enough.
take the fall. Yes, I may have hurt you, but I did not desert you. Maybe I just want to have it all. It makes it sound like thunder. It makes me feel like rain. Like a fool will never see the truth. I keep thinking something's gonna change, but there's a danger in loving somebody too much. And it's heaven, you know, it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. And there's no way home when it's late at night and you're all alone. All the things that you wanted to say until you feel me beside you in your bed, there beside you where I used to live. There's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's something you know, it's your heart they can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. No. Oh no.
So,
Meanwhile, may I request Barangay Chairman Larry Mateo to give a message to farewell celebrants.
Hello, naimbag rabi tayo amin na po ni Jimmy, Joey and Michael. Good luck ti papananda sa baling lugar. Kung kunada nga paraiso ti Hawaii. Amok namnama ekmat dingko at dito'y kinasingpet yo ti barangay at nakitak ti kinadakilyo nga nagsingpet kay nga ubing itultuloy yot ag singsingpet jay at dingko ta daytan ti balon yu jay tapno no magon udyo no anantot arapa apyo at dingko. Tilay pabalong ko kada kayo adding ko itultuloy yo ti agsingsingpet ken ikarkarara kini apo ta ikanda kay ti kanay na salon at ti aday na koy kumati ado disgrasya tapno no ituloy yung tot ti agubra jay tapno no agsubli kay to ti barangay ta namnama kanyon tumalipatan ti barangay Apaya. Good luck apo babarok Jimmy, Joey and Michael. Good luck babarok.
Thank you so much. May I request Miss Femi Javier to give another message? As requested by Honorable Elaine Ancheta.
Hello. Awan siguro dyan na makamamukan niya. Aloha to everyone. I'm so blessed to here tonight to join Christening for Joe Kylen, and congratulations Ethel and Joey. And also, I would like to extend Apo Kapitan message tonight that the brothers are so nasungput. The only thing is, we'll see if I'll see you in paradise. Good luck. Taisod pa kakitaan, tidadakkel nga pizza, kadadakkelan nga hamburger, tan kadadakkelan nga papaya, kadadakkelan nga klase ti, pakwan. And the only thing is, good luck for the attitude that brings you success in Hawaii. Happy trip. I'll see you there.
Thank you, Miss Femi Javier, for that. May I call upon one of the grandmother of Joe Kyler, Miss Leia Lagil, to give a message? Please come over. Is Miss Leia Lagil around?
To our baby, Joe Kyler, nagsing-sing pat ka kanayon, baby. Kat adati lang ni Ninang, nung tanda ka ni Mami, dalati ni Ninang. Wan, kajay talaga. Kajay ti uberat ti Ninang ita.
Likewise, may I request Miss Ivy Ancheta to give also a message to Joe Kyler.
Welcome to the Christian world, Joe Kyler. May you grow well guided. May the Lord bless you in everything you do. And that's it.
Thank you so much, well-wishers.
Hey, Sam. All right, so this time around, we would like to play another requested song coming from the family. And of course, we want to dedicate this song to all the friends who came here tonight. Ayan, para po to support the family as well. All right, so sana po, kung alam po ninyo yung kanta, makisabay po kayo sa amin. Once again, the song called That's What Friends Are For.
Thought I'd feel this way, and as far as I concern, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you.
And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember,
keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. And that's what friends are for.
For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. And that's what friends are for.
Well, you're coming over me, and now there's so much more I see. And by the way, I thank you.
oh, and then for the times when we're apart, well then close your eyes and know These words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember,
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for.
In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. And that's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, oh, you can always count on me for sure. And that's what friends are for. In good times
and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
And that's what friends are for.
And that's what friends are for.
And that's where friends are found.
Well, that's what friends are for.
Once again, dedicated to all the friends and family.
Count on me for sure, that's what friends are for. Wala po ba tayong mga kamay dyan?
Meron silang kamay. Walang palakpakan nga lang.
Ayan, natapos na po ata tayong kumain at
Tama.
sinasabi nga ni Mama kanina na ang ating mga utensils ay hindi po pwedeng iuwi.
Hindi po yan
Uy.
souvenirs.
Tama.
Wes, may pambilin na sila ng
Ay!
souvenirs ngayon. Oh.
Meron tayong natanggap na request na may pamasahe. Maraming salamat po. And for the information of everyone po, ayan, sa mga nagre-request po, ayan, okay lang po kung wala po kayong maibigay na compliment. As long as masiyahan po kayo sa mga play po namin. And syempre may mga request tayo na na-instruct po kami ng host family po ngayon na may mga certainly hindi po tayo pwedeng matugtog.
Ay, ayun si madam na nag-request. Ma'am,
Kaninong
pwedeng-
request po yun?
ayan oh, si madam dito.
Palitan mo na lang, madam.
Apo, ibang song na lang po.
Naibaon lang ka na
Oo,
ni
naibaon
Mami.
lang si
Pero
Mami.
okay lang po
Okay lang
yun. Ayan. Just to make everything clear po, para naman po, etong gabi na to, nandito po tayong lahat para magkasiyahan po tayo. Alright? So kung gusto po ninyong sumayaw, wag po kayong mahihiya na sumayaw. At pwede naman daw po yung request ni Madam na
Akalain mo pagbibigyan natin tong song na to.
Tama.
Oo, ayan.
Kaninong request po yung si Siwit?
Sino po nag-utos sa inyo?
Tama. Madam.
At uutusan din
O
po.
kahit nasa table na lang po. Kaninong table po yun? Ayan. Mami, gaputa request mo deto. Mabalin ba nga sumala kayo?
Yes, ayan. Oy, si Mami.
Anyway,
Ano nga ba?
thank you so much po sa mga compliment po na binibigay po ninyo.
Should you wish to dance, the dance floor is open for everyone. Thank you.
Yes. All right, come on everybody.
Let's go!
Ayan, pwede pa tayong sumayaw. Ayan mga mamis natin siya tapos na kumain. Come on. Bawat dinumaan ka ay ayama Indarok tama sisiwit na ata Nukad no kumayo Tukayan na taimayo Isunga maayo sa tuon sisiwit ko Sisiwit ko Doon umawa Buru-burong ko Sumura Noong kumanyo Kasya ko Pinang paa mo Come on, saya pa tayo! Sweet, sweet.
Energy, energy. Alright, come on, let's go!
Himay ko binisita Ikaw di supot na Nang itlog si Duwa Maam-amaan siya No, yun yung maam-am mo Mga pagkada kayo Tapmo maog kumayo Sa tuon sisiwit ko Sisiwit ko Sisiwit ko Doon umawa ka Buru-buru mo Sumura Noong kumanyo Nasya ko Pinang paa mo Sisiwit ko Sisiwit ko Noong lumawa Buru-burong ko Sumura Noong kumanyo Nasya ko Pinang paa mo Nasya ko Pinang paa mo
Sisiwit, sisiwit. Yes, maraming salamat po for requesting that song at dahil dyan nagbigay sa table number 1 ng
300 pesos! Yes, maraming salamat po.
Yes.
Tanungin nga natin yung pangalan ni Madam.
Ayan, galing atang Hawaii si Madam. Meron siyang hang loose.
Ito may kumikinang.
Anong hang loose?
Nakaganon siya,
Ay,
oh.
nakaganon.
Match
Oh.
mahalo.
Hang loose, parang yung ginagamit natin sa mukha.
Oo.
Uy,
What is your name, Madam, if you don't mind me asking po?
Ano po?
Perla!
Petra.
Hindi, Perla. Ma'am Perla, kilala mo po si...
Sylvia. Sylvia pa rin.
Ayan. Alright. Ma'am Perla, maraming salamat. And syempre, sa lahat po ng nandito, you are open to request your favorite song.
Tama.
And gusto ko din itanong dito sa ating Board of Judges.
Hoy.
Ayan, sila ma'am and sir. Sir, do you have any requested song po? Mamaya. Alright. So, ayan, please enjoy the night as we will give another song.
Special
Yes.
request.
Is that true?
Yes.
Alright, I'd like to give something from Louver Evangelist and Evangelina Balan.
And Sylvia doing the back.
There's only you in my life. The only thing that's right.
Maraming salamat po sa nag-iisang pumalakpak po.
Pwede po bang makahingi ng palakpakan?
That I take, your every step I make.
I want to share all my love with you.
No one else will do.
You know it. Your eyes,
They tell me how much
you care. Oh yes,
you will
always be
my endless
Two hearts that beat as one. My life just begun. And forever, I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. No, 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 no. And love, I'll be a fool for you. I'm sure
Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much.
you know hearts of mine. You know I don't mind. Your eyes do. singing a song from Luther Vandross and Mariah Carey.
Yes, ayan. Maraming salamat po again for requesting that song. And we still have another requested song. A song, a duet, coming from
Mariah Carey and Luther.
Yeah. Hindi ka sure. Sa Endless Love yun. Alright.
Alright.
Ayan, kadigiti kayat na apo iti mapan sumala. Ayan, even if it's love song, mabalin tayo apo nga mga latika partner tayo, and let's enjoy the music.
You asked me if I love you, and I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie.
And who am I to judge you and what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you.
Sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes.
Yes, this song is to be led by Sir John Michael Mateo, to be followed by everyone.
Till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides.
Come on, Sir John Michael.
Romance and all its strategy leaves me battling with my pride, but through the insecure,
Palakpakan naman natin. Come on.
tenderness survives.
Just another rider, still trapped within my room. I hesitate, press brighter, still feeling my youth.
Sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold it till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides.
Times the light to break you and drive you to your knees.
Times I like to break through and hold you endlessly.
Hold you endlessly.
Times I understand you, and I know how hard you've tried. I've watched what love commands you, and I've watched love pass you by.
At times I think we're drifters and searching for a friend, a brother or a sister, but then passion flares again.
Sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close
My eyes
and hide. I wanna hold it till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me
Wow! And once again, Ma'am Rona and Sir John Michael Mateo. Ayan. Alright. Tularan po natin sila, ladies and gentlemen, if you feel like dancing, this song is to be led by you.
I would like to give this song para po sa ating lahat.
Yes. And this song as well is to be led by Ma'am Chini Mateo.
Finally found someone who knocks me off my feet. Finally found one
Sir Jimmy Mateo.
who makes me feel complete.
Starting over coffee, we're starting out as friends. It's funny how some simple things, the best things begin.
This time is
La 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 la,
it's all because of you.
la 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 la.
It's better than it's ever been.
'Cause we can talk it through. My favorite line was, can I call you sometime? It's all you had to say to take my breath away. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do,
It's just got to be you.
my life has just begun. I finally found someone, ooh, someone.
Finally found someone. Did I keep you
I
waiting?
didn't
I
mind,
apologize.
baby, that's
I
fine.
will wait forever.
Just to know you want my heart. I sure it looks right.
You will.
Isn't it too tight?
You're exceptional.
I can't wait for the rest of my life. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do,
It's just got to be you.
my life has just begun. I finally found someone. And whatever I do,
It's just got to be you.
it's just begun. I finally found someone.
Yes, once again, that was the song I Finally Find Someone. And thank you so much to Sir
Ayan.
Jimmy Mateo and Matt for dancing with that song.
At meron tayong natanggap na request.
Meron
Yes,
naman.
a song from KZ.
Oo. And yung kaya Sir Carlito Antonio na Don't Let the Sun Go Down.
Sige. Dahil birthday
Ay,
boy ka, ayan.
Sir
Sige,
Eljon-
ano yun?
Eljon-
Don't let
Elton
the
John.
sun go
Go down.
down.
Ayan. Paano po yan?
Meron
Gabi
natin.
po na. Gabi na po.
Naka-down na po yung son.
Oy.
Naka-down na po siya with down payment and downloading.
Oo.
And anxiety daw.
Sadya-
Oo, pero nauna po naming natanggap yung
yeah.
mahal ko o mahal ako. Kaya okay lang po ba unahin po muna namin yun before your request para naman po fair po tayo sa lahat.
Kayang-kaya ni Ate Hazel yan.
Oo.
Naman.
Miss Sterilize.
Ayan.
Siya ba naman yung crazy kambingan natin?
Boy! Hashtag the sterilized girl.
Sterilized milk. Alright. Alright. So sa lahat po ng mga pinagdadaanan dyan,
Tama.
ayan.
Yung mga hindi makapili ng mahal nila.
Oo.
Para sa inyo po tong kantang to.
Oo. Pero, syempre, kung akong pipili talaga, gusto ko yung sterilized na mahal ako. Charot. Para po sa inyo. Dalawa kayo sa buhay ko at ako ngayon ay kailangan ng mambili. Isa lang ang maaari. Alam mo, narito ako lagi para sa iyo. Mahal kita ng labis, ngunit iba ang iyong nais. At siya narito, alay sa iyong wakas na pag-ibig. Litong, litong, litong. Sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya bang kumakatok sa puso ko? Oh, ano bang iiralin ko? Isipan mo ang puso ko. Litong, litong, litong. Sinong bibili ko? Mahal ako. Kahit di ako ang mahal mo, kung mananatili ako sa'yo, ay baka matutunan mo na ako'y iyong ibigin. At kung sadyang siya'y tapat, baka sakaling pagdaan ng araw, matutunan ko rin ang ibigin siya. Sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw bang napangarap ko? O siya bang kumakatok sa puso ko? Oh, anong pahiratin ko? Isipan mo ang puso ko. Nalilitong, litong, litong, litong. Sinong bibili ko? Ang nais ko ay maranasan ang umbibig at masuklian din ang pag-ibig. Sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw bang napangarap ko? Anong mairali ko? Isipan ang puso ko. Litong, 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 litong. Sinong pipiliin ko? Mahal ko o mahal ako?
Yes, a special request from Ninang and Ninong.
Yes. Asan na po si Nina?
Kanino po galing yun? Dito po ba?
Ayan. Sana po nasiyahan po yung nag-request. Alright.
Yes.
Alright. At meron pa po ba tayong mga request dito? Asan na ang birthday
Oo,
boy?
sa pa daw na mahal ko or mahal ako.
Yung yung request nila, sir.
Ay, ano po?
Kaya po ba natin?
Ano po yung request?
Don't let the sun go down. Ay,
Oo. Don't let the sun go down.
And yung anxiety daw.
Ayan. Anxiety.
Kung kaya ba?
Anxiety. Charot. Ayan, pasensya na po yung sa anxiety. Parang nararamdaman lang po namin yung mga anxiety na yan.
Tama, pero linalabanan po
Opo.
namin.
Ayan.
Kaya please, wag nyo na pong
Sige. Okay lang po ba na ire-recall lang po namin ng konting-konti, sir? Ayan.
mamaya-maya lang po.
Oo, ayan. But for the meantime, of course, we're gonna give you another requested song after all these years. Ayan. And syempre, as I heard earlier na this is actually a Despedida Party po para sa ating mga papunta po ng island of Hawaii. Ayan. So, mag-ingat po tayo. Have a safe flight. All right.
And once again, dedicated to Sir John Michael.
May mga tao pa po ba? Pwede po ba tayo pumalakpak lahat? Yeah, thank you so much po.
Baby, waiting for the ground, you and me in our first dance. Our eyes are closed, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days, the world has changed, but our love remains the same. God knows we had our share of saving grace, and I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me.
Now since we have close to get this far,
Love the tears and laughter away the tears. After all these years, you make me feel brand new after the fights we walked through. Against the odds, we never lost our faith. In a house we made our own, where our children all have grown. Precious moments time cannot erase. Make a living love and time to gypsy highway. See, since we've had a ship apart, somehow in my heart I always keep you near. And after all these years, after all these years, you stood by me the days and nights when I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed, believe in me, and you stood strong. Love, there's nothing left to feel after all these years. Without love, there's nothing left to fear. And after all these years,
Yes, that was one of your requested songs, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much for requesting that song.
Alright, ayan.
Ayan, wala na ata yung nag-request ng Don't Let the Sun Go Down. Na wala. Umuwi na sila.
Ay, nandito, ayan. Mag-explain lang po sana kami, sir.
Yes.
Na, unfortunately,
We cannot play your request right now, sir. Oo, baka may other request po kayo.
alright.
All right, so for this time around, ay magbe-break po muna
Yeah.
muna kami.
Yes,
So,
Ilocano.
standby lang po sa other request po nila na Angel Baby and Always Remember Us This Way.
Yes,
Ipe-play
request
po-
ni Sir.
Tama, ipe-play po namin mamayang pagkatapos po namin mag-break.
Yes, and syempre sa lahat po ng nandito, wag po muna kayong uuwi dahil samahan po ninyo kami at ang pamilya po na nag-host tonight para naman po mas marami, mas masaya. And also, we would like to make a huge shout out to all our viewers online. And kung gusto po ninyong i-share ang aming page or live tonight, pwede po tayong mag-search sa aming Facebook page, New Rule Band. Maraming salamat po. We'll see you on our next set. Thank you.